ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to be talking about selling digital products on Etsy. So I was looking at Etsy and actually saw that there's a pretty good article about how to sell digital products. And the more common one are what they say is downloadable prints, downloadable art. So it's things like this. So you see, I guess someone did a painting. You put it into, either you take a picture or you scan it, and then you could sell it online on Etsy as a downloadable print. So just having a quick look here on Etsy, a lot of the stuff is very organic, natural stuff that's coming up in the listings. So have a look at that. Another thing you want to look at is quotes and sayings. So I see that this is very popular as well. So here on the search engine, I put downloadable art and I got these results. Now let's go and put downloadable print. And as you can see, if I put downloadable, you'll have several options of what you could kind of sell in digital form. So we have invitation, cards, photo, planners. I heard planners are really good, so have a look at that. So you can either sell, quotes, illustrations, paintings. You can also sell clip art. And this is what I'm going to be uploading on Etsy today and showing you how I do it. All right, so this is one of the products I already uploaded. It's clip art. The person get downloaded and also use it commercially if they want, or can just print it on just for personal use for their own t-shirt, mug, and stuff like this. So this new listing is going to be a silhouette of a French bulldog. It's going to be coming in several formats. So let's just go through the whole process and I'll just show you how I do it. So the main image is going to be a photo. It's going to be pictured in a frame. And then after that, you want to upload, several options that could show an example of the product. So since this is going to be a clip art, I'm showing the customer examples of what they could use this clip art for. So they can, print it on t-shirts, make it so they can print it on a mug, on a poster. And last and not least, I show a picture right here, poster in the living room. So, kind of makes it look a little bit more professional. So moving on, the title. So I'm going to copy from what I did in a previous listing to make the whole process a bit faster. Digital download, dog silhouette, vector clip art, print. So there's going to be a PDF file, PNG file, an Adobe Illustrator file, an SVG file, and EPS file. Who made it? I did. What is it for? I put a supply or tool so that people could make things out of it. So when did I make it? I made it in 2018. So this one's going to be a digital product. So the description pretty much going to be similar to my previous one I did right here. So let's just copy that. So the price, I'll just copy this. Alright, so I got the tags, I put in the price, pretty low for now. I'm gonna definitely bump up my price, but since I'm pretty new at Etsy, just starting off my store, definitely just want to get my first initial sales, my first initial reviews, and then hopefully with that I can increase my price and more people will buy it out at the higher price. Alright, let's put a number 20. So I was actually forgetting the most important part, and which is uploading the file that you are intending to sell. So I'm going to be uploading a zip file It's going to contain the images and the formats I described in the description area. So you have it all in there. Make sure this is the French bulldog weight. All right, and I also have a license agreement right here. So it describes roughly what the product is and what you can use it for and what you cannot use it for. So I did that. I created a zip file and we're going to upload that. And there we have it, a digital product ready to be sold on Etsy.